In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add rounded corners to a shape in Photoshop quickly and easily. This is a simple but very useful trick if you want to make your shapes look cleaner, softer, and more professional without having to rebuild them from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and easy design tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Photoshop project and select the shape layer you want to edit. This is important because the corner controls only appear when the correct shape layer is active. If you click the wrong layer, you won't see the corner widgets, so make sure you are working on the actual shape and not on a pixel layer or another object. Now press U on your keyboard to activate the shape tool, or press V to select the move tool. Either one will help you access the shape controls. Once the proper tool is active, look carefully at the inside corners of your shape on the canvas. You should notice 4 small blue circular widgets sitting just inside the boundary lines of the shape. These are the controls that let you round the corners visually. To round the corners, click and drag any of those circular widgets inward toward the center of the shape. As you drag inward, the corners will become more rounded and smooth. If you drag farther inward, the roundness becomes more dramatic. If you only want a subtle soft edge, move the widgets just a little bit. This gives you a lot of control over the final look, whether you want a slight modern curve or a much softer rounded style. If you accidentally round the corners too much, don't worry. Just drag the widget back outward toward the original corner point and the shape will become sharper again. This makes it easy to experiment until you get the exact look you want. You can fine-tune it in seconds without losing your original shape. If you want to round only one corner visually, you can do that too. Click the specific widget once to select it, release it, and then click and drag that single widget by itself. That lets you adjust one corner without affecting the others. This is especially useful when you want a custom design like a card, button, label, or frame with one unique corner style. Take a moment to zoom in if needed, especially if you're working on a detailed design. It can make it easier to grab the correct widget and adjust the rounding more precisely. And remember, this method works best on shape layers, so if your object is still a regular raster layer, you may need to convert or recreate it as a proper shape first. Once you've rounded the corners the way you want, you can continue editing the shape's color, size, and position just like any other vector shape in Photoshop. That's what makes this method so powerful. It's fast, flexible, and non-destructive. So to recap, select your shape layer, activate the shape tool or move tool, find the blue circular corner widgets, and drag them inward to round the corners. If you need just one corner adjusted, select that widget individually and drag it on its own. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.